Hi everyone, it's Simon from fundedtradingplus.com here, and this video is about a trader who managed to pass our $100,000 evaluation very quickly. I just wanted to have a quick look at their dashboard and then have a look at some of the trades they'd taken in order to do that. There was a 10% profit target here, and you can see that they have taken 19 trades in total, but one of the things that they've done that most successful winning traders do is their average losing trade is much smaller than their average winning trade. So even though their win percentage is just over 50%, and people do get a little bit obsessed about win percentage, you can see that if you keep your average loss small, your average win bigger, then you can succeed regardless of win percentage. So don't get suckered into thinking you need like a 70, 80, 90% win percentage. One of the most important variables is how much do you win on average and how much do you lose on average. So congratulations to this trader. Let's have a bit more of a look in detail at some of the trades that they took. So here we are looking at MT5, and we can see some of the trades that were taken by placing the history on the chart. If we have a look at the history down here, we can see there's some losses scattered amongst the wins. But again, the key thing that this trader did was keep those losses small. And if we scroll down further, we can see they had some significantly big winners here. You know, $3,800, $3,400, $1,600, $1,300. And all these trades were taken in a relatively short period of time, these 19 trades. They were taken from 1818 all the way to 1946. Now, this is unusually quick, but this shows what can be done if you've got that patient, disciplined trading. And some of the best trades on here, and it's interesting for me having a look and trying to figure out people's strategies. There's nothing massively obvious I can find, but you know, people have their own methodologies, their own strategies, and that's fine. We welcome everyone who's consistently profitable, no matter if you use price action, lots of indicators, or anything like that. We can see here this trader managed to get short. And then we had this really nice drop-off on the NASDAQ here, solely a NASDAQ trader. And that is a big move on the NASDAQ. In the current volatility, it's not taking long. And it takes some good trading skill and discipline to hold a winning trade for that long. And that's two of the big profitable trades that made up a large bulk of the final profit target. Now, people will often look at leverage when trying to judge a funded trading program as well. Now, we give 1 to 10 leverage, and there's good reason for that. One, when you've got a $100,000 account, 1 to 10 leverage gives you significant buying power. You can see the amount of P&L that you can make here. You know, if we were to give you 100 to 1 or something like that, then there's a high probability you would get yourself in trouble. And that's not a professional approach to take to trade. So 1 to 10 leverage is more than enough to make serious sums of money quickly. You can see, you know, $10,243 in little over an hour here. And then we can see there's some sells here that don't go well, but the losses are cut very quickly. It's very easy once you've had a big winning trade like this to then get in another position and then not take the loss, because you either think you're trading so well that it's going to come down, or you can end up in a position where you don't really bother managing your risk successfully, because you think that, oh no, I've made this profit, I can give a bit back. But of course, the trader then gets out of the trade. What happens? The market reverses again. A little bit unfortunate there. Manages to get long, gets out of trade for about break even, and then just ends up scalping long here. Nice profit target there after being patient. Manages to get short here on top of this candle. Nice profit target there as well. So it just shows how the trader was sort of sensing the rhythm of the market very effectively here. But at the same time, when trades weren't working out, they were closing the trades. They weren't getting carried away. They weren't revenge trading. They were able to run the winners on the big moves with some patient, disciplined trading, and eventually hit that profit target. So congratulations to this trader. We look forward to giving you your $100,000 account and hopefully having a long and prosperous future together. So if you want your own funded trading account, then visit fundedtradingplus.com. And if you have any questions, then do speak to us on our live chat that you can find in the bottom right of the screen.